Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your project management with Asana, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for an Asana account if you don't already have one. Visit the Asana website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once your account is created, log in and explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features including projects, tasks, and teams. To create a new project, click on the plus New Project button. Choose a project layout that suits your workflow, such as a board or list view. Enter your project name and add a short description if needed. Set a project deadline to keep your team on track. Invite team members by entering their email addresses in the project settings. Assign roles and permissions to ensure proper access control. To create tasks, click on the plus Add Task button within your project. Provide specific details for each task, including name, due date, and priority. Use task descriptions to clarify expectations and deliverables. Add tags or sections to categorize tasks for better visibility. Set subtasks for larger tasks to break down workloads more effectively. Utilize Asana's dependency feature to link tasks that rely on each other. Implement project milestones to mark important goals and deadlines. Review your project timeline regularly to monitor progress and adjust as needed. Communicate with your team using the comments section on tasks. Attach files directly to tasks to keep all relevant documents in one place. Use Asana's reporting tools to track project performance over time. Integrate Asana with other tools like Slack or Google Drive for enhanced collaboration. Customize your dashboard to focus on metrics that matter most to your projects. Regularly update task statuses to ensure transparency within the team. Conduct periodic reviews to evaluate project outcomes and areas for improvement. Ensure your team is trained on using Asana to maximize its benefits. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing and efficiently managing your projects with Asana. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.